Good day, Dr. Zuhaila. My name is Sasindaran. My matrix number is A20A2266. Today I am going to present my industrial training throughout the day works at Serin & Co. Accounts and Audit Firm. Background of company. Serin & Co. is a member firm of Malaysian Institute of Accountants, an approved company auditor and a licensed income tax agent. Establishment in 2021. Our certified professional Serin Wong Yan Yan is a chartered accountant, an approved company auditor and approved tax agent under Income Tax Act 1967. Business environment. Serin & Co. is an accountancy firm and will help clients to maximize their savings, increase their profitability and achieve their financial goals. Is the reason we are recognized as a premier accounting firm in KL and why business chooses to evaluate and elevate their financial health. Our services. There are 7 services that provide by Serin & Co. The first one is audit. Our team of experienced auditor is well versed in the local regulation and standard and is committed to helping our clients achieve their financial and regulatory objectives. In tax, helping our clients navigate the complex tax landscape. In transfer pricing, as per transfer pricing services to business operating in Malaysia. In accounting and bookkeeping, helping our clients manage their finance and achieve their financial goals. Digital and transformation, helping business of all sizes and industry embrace digital transformation and leverage the latest technology to drive growth and innovation. In business and advisory, helping our client navigate the complex business landscape in Malaysia and make informed strategy decisions. Seminar and in-house training, delivering engaging and impactful training programs that can be tailored to meet the specific need of our clients. The next slide is scope of exposure to student. First day, I learned about how to do sales and purchase vouching for a company. The objective of sales and purchase vouching is to ensure the recorded sales and purchases are valid and accurately recorded and that corresponding revenue and expenses are recognized in the correct period. Procedure. Sales invoice. Verify that sales invoices are properly issued, consecutively numbered and correspond to actual sales order. Credit sales. Verify the sufficient of credit approvals and terms. Cash sales. Check the receipt of cash for cash sales and its accurate documentation in the cash book. Adjustment and returns. Review any sales return allowance or discount for valid authorization and accurate recording. Good receive notes. GRN. Confirm that good receive notes match purchase orders and supplier invoices confirming product have been received. Supplier invoices. Check the supplier invoices are appropriately documented and match purchase orders and GRNs. The first picture that I attached in this slide show the record of purchase of a company that need to be vouched, and the second picture show the purchase invoices documents that are used to check record of purchases. Number 2. Prepare audit working paper. Creating audit working papers for a balance sheet and profit and loss statement involves several key steps. These documents serve as evidence of the audit work performed and help support the auditor's opinion on the financial statement. Balance sheet working paper. Objective to verify the accuracy, completeness and existence of the balance reported in the balance sheet as of date. There are 3 sections in balance sheet working paper. The first section is current asset and non-current asset. I need to prepare 4 working paper under asset, cash and bank, account receivable, inventory and PPE, property, plant and equipment. The second section is current liability and non-current liability. There are 2 working paper I need to prepare under liabilities. For example, account payable and long-term debt working paper. The last section is equity. In equity also I need to prepare 2 working paper. The first one is reconciliation of opening and closing balances. The last share capital working paper. Profit and loss working paper. Objective to verify the accuracy and completeness and occurrence of the income and expenses reported in the profit and loss statement for the year ended. There are 3 sections in profit and loss working paper. The first section is revenue. I need to prepare 3 working paper under revenue, that is sales and sales cutoff and GP margin analytical working paper. The second section is cost of goods sold. There are two working paper I need to prepare. The first one is purchase working paper. The second one is purchase cut-off working paper. The last section is operating expenses. I need to prepare three working paper under operating expenses. The number one is payroll reconciliation. The second one is salary analytical review. The third one is EPF reasonable testing. Number 3, prepare draft audit report. An audit report is a document that provides the auditor opinion on whether a company financial statements are free from misstatement and are presented fairly in accordance with the generally accepted accounting principle GAAP. Key components of an audit report include number 1, balance sheet. Balance sheet shows the company assets, liability and shareholder equity at the specific point in time. Number 2, income statement or profit and loss statement. It provides a summary of the company revenues, expenses and profit or losses over a period of time. Number 3, cash flow statement. Cash flow statement details the company cash inflows and outflows over a period. The last is statement of changes in equity. It shows changes in the company equity over the reporting period, including profit retained, dividend paid and shares issued or repurchased. Number 4, preparing debtor confirmation, bank confirmation, direct confirmation and extra. Below show the picture of debtor confirmation that prepared by me. Purpose of prepare this debtor confirmation is to verify the existence and accuracy of the amounts owed by customers to the company. There are 5 steps. The first one is select debtor. Choose a sample of debtor from an account receivable ledger. Second step, prepare confirmation letter. Draft a letter requesting confirmation of the balance owed to a company as of a specific date. The third step is send confirmation. Mail the letter to the selected debtor or send via email. The fourth step is follow up with the reminders if there is no response within a reasonable time. The last step is analyze responses. Compare the responses with the company records and investigate any discrepancies. Number 5, statutory audit. The first picture showing the statutory working paper. Statutory audit working paper are essential documents that auditor use to record the evidence gathered and procedures performed during an audit. This paper support the audit opinion and ensure compliance with the statutory requirements. Statutory audit working paper include planning documents. For example, engagement letter, agreement between auditor and client outlining the scope and terms of the audit. Fieldwork documents, audit programs, checklists or program detailing the audit procedures to be performed for each area. The second picture shows the resolution, annual return and acknowledgement of a company that upload in CCH engagement audit software by me. The next job scope is I learn how to use CCH audit engagement software. CCH engagement is a widely used audit and accounting software designed to streamline the audit process and improve efficiency for accounting professionals. It offers a range of features to manage audits, compile and review engagements and perform other accounting services. How to use CCH engagement? The first step is setting up an engagement. Second step, performing the audit. For example, work paper preparation. Use templates to create and customize work paper. Populate them with client data and perform necessary audit procedures. Second example is trial balance adjustment. Make adjusting and reclassifying entries as needed within the trial balance module. The third step is finalizing the engagement. Generate reports, automatically generate financial statement, lead schedules and other report. The second example is final review and sign off. Complete the final review process, ensuring all work papers and sign off and documentation is complete. The last example is archive. Archive the engagement file for future reference and compliance purposes. The last task I did is binding the report. Compile the report in a professional and organized manner. Use a ring binder or comb binding machine to ensure the report is securely bound. Include dividers or tabs to separate each major section for easy navigation. Ensure all pages are numbered sequentially. Contribution to the Serin & Co. My contribution to Serin & Co. is supporting audit engagement. For example, assisting in the planning, execution and completion of audit engagement under the supervision of senior auditors. This involves preparing audit documentation, working paper and supporting schedules. My second contribution is data collection and analysis. Example, collecting, organizing and analyzing financial data which can help in identifying trends and discrepancies and areas that need further investigation. Another contribution of me to Serin & Co. is testing and verification. For instance, performing tests of controls and substantive testing to verify the accuracy and completeness of financial records. This helps in identifying errors and potential fraud. Next contribution is documentation and reporting. I always preparing clear and concise audit documentation and reports that support audit findings and recommendation. This aids in the communication of audit result to management. My last contribution is use of technology, leveraging audit software and tools to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of audit procedures. This includes using data analytics tools to identify anomalies or patterns that warrant further investigation. The next part is suggestion for improvement. Serin & Co. can improve the audit department by optimizing process and enhancing skill and leveraging technology to ensure high quality, efficient audits. Here are several suggestions to consider. Number one, embrace technology and automation. There are three main points: audit software, data analytics, robotic process automation, RPA. Example for robotic process automation: automate repetitive tasks such as data entry and reconciliation to free up auditors for more complex activities. Second suggestion is enhance auditor skills and training. There are three main points: continuous learning, certification and education, soft skill development. Example for soft skill development: Serin & Co. can provide training in communication, critical thinking and problem solving to improve client interaction and audit effectiveness. Third suggestion is improve audit process and methodologies. There are three main points: risk-based auditing, AGL auditing, standardized procedures. Example for standardized procedure is develop and implement standardized audit procedures and templates to ensure consistency and quality across all audits. Another suggestion is enhance communication and collaboration. There are three main points: client relationship management, cross-departmental collaboration. Number three, knowledge sharing. For example of client relationship management, staff can improve communication with clients to better understand their needs and provide more value through audit services. Last suggestion for improvement is leverage artificial intelligence and machine learning. There are three main points: predictive analytics, automated document review, number three, fraud detection. Example for automated document review: implement AI tools to review and analyze documents, contract and other audit relevant materials for faster insight. Challenge of task execution. Number one, understanding complex financial data, challenging for me in interpreting financial statement. Strategy that I use to overcome this challenge is improve my understanding of accounting principle through continuous study and practical application. Second challenge under understanding complex financial data is identifying irregularities. Strategy that I use is develop strong analytical skill and familiarize myself with common red flags in financial reporting. Practice using data analysis tools and software to enhance accuracy. Number two, communication and reporting. Challenging to me to get clear communication with clients. Strategy that I use is develop strong communication skill by practicing presentation and writing clear, concise reports. Second challenge under communication and reporting is preparing accurate reports. Strategy that I use is use standardized report templates and review previous audit reports to understand the expected structure and content. Number three, time management. Challenge for me to meeting deadlines. Strategy that I use to overcome is created detailed audit plans with timeline for each task, prioritize tasks based on their importance and deadlines, and use time management tools to stay organized. Number four, technical proficiency. Challenging to me using auditing software. Strategy that I use is participate in training session and workshop on the specific software used by my firm. Second challenge is leveraging data analytics. The strategy for this challenge is take courses in data analytics and familiarize myself with tools like ACL, IDEA and Excel. Apply these tools in practical scenarios to gain hands-on experience. The last part, added value in student knowledge. Applying the noble values acquired during training and significantly help my transition into a dedicated auditor in the real world. Here are the some key values. Number one, integrity and ethics. I always adhere to the highest ethical standards, ensuring honesty and transparency in whole audit process, avoid any conflicts of interest and maintain independence. Next noble values I learned is attention to detail. I meticulously review financial records and reports and other documentation, ensure accuracy and completeness in all audit findings. Third noble values I learned during industrial training is continuous learning. For example, I always stay updated with the latest auditing standard, regulation and industry practices. C. Continuous professional development through courses, certification and training. Number 4. Time management. I always prioritize tasks effectively, manage deadlines and allocate time efficiency to various audit activities. Another noble that I get learning during this industrial training is teamwork and communication. I always collaborate effectively with audit team members, share insights and communicate clearly with clients and stakeholders. The last noble value is problem solving skill. I approach complex issues analytically, identify root causes and develop practical solutions.